Ooh, ShopRite is having a sale on that bottom round roast, if you know what I mean. Mountain Dew Flamin' Hot. Spicy meat sweet. That is disgusting. Hey, what's going on, guys? Cody here with Thistledowns TV, and today I have a really quick project for you. Gonna recycle some newspaper and turn them into some paper pots for starting seeds. You only need a couple things for this project, and I'm sure you already have them laying around your house. All you need is some extra newspaper, some scissors, and a shot glass. So let's jump right into it. So to make a paper pot, all you need is about a 3-inch wide strip of paper, about the size of this fold-in. And all you want to make sure is that when you lay your shot glass down, even with one side of it, you have about 1 inch hanging over the other side. And you can use anything that's round. I just chose a shot glass because it's like the perfect size to start seeds in. So I'm just going to cut out this little strip of paper right here. Alright guys, watch just how simple this is. I have my piece of paper. I'm just going to line my shot glass up on its side, even with one side of this strip. And then I'm just going to literally roll it up, just like this. And then I'm just going to fold the ends over like that. And the final step, I'm just going to pop the shot glass out and I'm going to poke the tabs up through the middle. And you don't need tape, you don't need glue, you don't need staples, you don't need anything. This is going to be absolutely perfect to fill with soil and plant seeds in. Alright, so I'm just going to do it probably 40 more times, and I'll have a full 10-20 tray of these perfect little seed starting paper pots. And there are 40 beautiful paper pots just ready for planting. Alright, my paper pots are all filled up and ready for planting. I'm just using this Pro Mix that I found at my local gardening store. It says ideal for seed starting. I'm not an expert by any stretch of the imagination, so you use whatever soil you please. There are also a few advantages to making paper pots. The first thing is you're using recycled material, which is always a good thing. The second thing is the paper is biodegradable, so you can literally just drop this whole thing right in the ground and it'll eventually break down right into the soil. Another great advantage of making paper pots is that you can really adapt it to whatever size you want. So if you want to leave your seedlings growing a little bit longer, so you want to look a little bit bigger of a paper pot, just find something round that's the size you're looking for and you could easily duplicate the process. So give it a try, hopefully you like it, and happy gardening. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.